Today we're visiting the Falkirk wheel and then onto the Kelpies. And as usual, at the moment we've got Anne and Shannon for the moment. There you are. The 3 canal barges there as well. The Glasgow to Edinburgh canoe trail. So they must do canoeing up here as well. There you go, that's interesting to know as well. So just walking up to the wheel now. Nice to see it in action. Den last left. Well, that's an interesting thing. I wonder what that is. Quite a few people here considering the weather's not brilliant, it's a bit windy. There it is, welcome to Falkirk Wheel. Falkirk Wheel. Scottish Canals. So what do you think of this place, you two?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Have you been here before? You've not been here before, have you been?
Here before.
You've been before?
It's quite a hike.
So it's a first for me and Shannon. It's impressive. So, it must just go around and bring the boat down from up there.
The people in the bottom one, round and up to there. And
It goes from that bit up there, my finger, right up there, and it'll go right along up to there, and then it'll go round and just drop it down into the water. That's amazing. So it is. The boat in there now. Let's go and see if we can see it working. They do boat trips here as well, so if you're visiting, then you queue there for the boat. Not much a queue at the moment. You can actually get a trip onto the boat trip is actually onto the wheel. Incredible. That's your actual tourist attraction here. And there she goes. Imagine it would take a couple of minutes for that to go all the way up to the top. Well, I'm going to show you something unusual in these places. Usually you get seagulls and pigeons. It's a crow. It's got the whole place to itself. So there's like another crow there. Morrison Construction. Designed by and built by Morrison Construction. Construction and design. Then it goes up there. Coming down. So one goes up, one goes down. Hello there. Hello. What's the view like up there? Is that a good view? Walk up there. So you can. I don't think that boat's going to actually sail up there. But it would do. Part of your boat trip. Up the canal a wee bit and back down. That's the one there. Sitting there now. So there's perfect timing. One goes up, one comes down. And one goes in and one goes out. Oh, they both go out. Both go out. One goes out at the top, one goes out at the bottom. And then right up there along the canal, which goes all the way to Edinburgh. There we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Falkirk wheel. What an impressive thing. Now, if you look over there in the distance, you will see that they do some archery as well. If you're into firing bows and arrows, this might be an interesting place for you to come as well. Good place to bring the kids because there's a wee shoot up there. And whatever they call it, a wee tower. Keep your eye on them though. Very impressive, this place. Got paid for this advert, but that's Shannon. Snails were done. Where were they done?
At Elixir Lounge.
Elixir Lounge in Paisley on New Street, Paisley.
Yeah.
So if you want your nails done,
Jade.
Shannon can do your nails like that.
Yeah, but Jade did these.
But Jade did them, and they're absolutely wonderful. Get a wee close up. Look at that.
They're not done yet.
Good Scottish nails. We've got a gift shop here as well. Souvenirs. Very good. And a wee cafe. So we've got a nice cup of tea. Just to give you an idea of the prices. There they are there. I would actually get it for £15.50. If you're under 5 and you come here, they're free. But please bring your parents because I don't think they'd let you on your own. It's not a fox or a dog or something made out of wires. There's something else made out of wire. It's like it's an elephant meant to be. A big trunk. Oh no, it's no. It's a tail. It's another dog. Is it a wolf? I think they're actually wolves. There you go. Another wolf. They look more like wolves actually. They're dogs, and they're very Scottish dogs, and they're wolves. So, dogs, that's your ancestors. That's your ancestors there. It's an impressive cafe. We've ordered a big breakfast. That is a really nice cafe in here. The prices are not too bad either. I think the prices are very reasonable. So if you're coming here and having a breakfast, you have a full Scottish breakfast here. And it's very good prices. The amazing thing is, the prices here are really cheap compared to what you think they would be. That was $9.95. And the jacket potatoes, look at that. Jacket potatoes, under £9. For me, that's just amazing. I recommend this place. Well, it was a wonderful breakfast. That was. Who you lassie was a guy, a wickered man with a kind of girly haircut and a horse made out of wicker, it looks like. Fantastic. More dogs. Love the dogs. There we go. If you like dogs, this could become a dog video. Not a dog video. You're welcome. They've even got big bus stops here. Amazing. I thought that was the front entrance, it's actually just the side of the building. And you go right through the gate. It's free to get in, to go and see. It's even got a drive-in. When you enter a card, it's registration at payment machine or pay by. You get 20 minutes free. No validation required, which is these places. I mean, they're not trying to rip you off here, are they? You know what I mean? And drink the snack barrel, the caravan thing there. Oh, it looks like it's all stainless steel, but it's not open. That's just the back here, it looks like it's the front. Oh, the bit that they serve out is not the front. So that's not open today. Here we are back down at the canal. Absolutely lovely bit. Lucky other people that live there. Yeah, the old place to own a dog. And there's a normal lock. I was trying to explain to my daughter about how these work, and she already knew. I think that the younger generation, I think they don't know these things, but they actually do. More than we do. A lot of the time. Anyone for fishing? Just to show you how busy it is now. This queue is getting bigger. Well, that was our experience at the Falkirk wheel, which is the world's only rotating boat lift. And as it says there, it's a voyage of discovery. So let's go now to review how the Kelpies. Heading back to the car now, just been to the Falkirk wheel, and I know I said that the last wee bit that we're still heading up there to the Kelpies, but just to tell you, the car parking here is free unless you get right up to the actual wheel, and you get 20 minutes free, but it is a fantastic deal. Where do you get free parking? Right, onwards to the Kelpies. Here we are on the way to the Kelpies. £4.60 for the park, no, £4.60 for parking. Not bad really. It's all day parking. You've got a wee walk, pleasant wee walk. Now this is the canal up here. There's the Kelpies up in the distance. Nobody's told me not to walk in the grass, so I am walking on the grass. There's one you got across here. There's a bit of a ditch there. Canal. Oh yeah. We've got good shoes on us, I've been over then. It's the same canal we were at before. They've got the barges there. There's a big black cloud. That is the Kelpies. I've actually been here before. It's another impressive thing for Scotland. A lot of things in Scotland that I haven't seen and I want to see. I've seen these before. As I mentioned earlier, I hadn't been to the Falkirk wheel, so it was good to see that. They look quite near because they're so big, but we're still quite a distance away from them. People have their wee canal boats here. The long boats there, Annie D. And there's the wee Kelpies. Have a look at the wee Kelpies first before we go and see the big Kelpies. There's the wee Kelpies. You'd actually kid on you were at the big Kelpies and you're an actual big giant. If you stand up there, people think you're a giant standing next to the real ones. Windy weather, threats of rain, people still come out to enjoy themselves and see the sights. I remember these from the last time. Loaded hot dogs, coffee and cakes. I was before I came here before. My friend. I'd seen them from the road many times. Kelpies, that's the world renowned here in Falkirk the other day. They're shy, they're doing a nice bit of dancing there now, they're getting shy. There's a lot of crows up here, more than I imagine. The crows are the new seagulls. Into the shop. Museum thing. It's Rio de Janeiro. Lima. Should be the heights and things like that. And you've got the Statue of Liberty.
Falkirk for beans and peas.
Interesting.
Doesn't rhyme, does it?
The Great Sphinx of Giza.
Rich soil, thanks to all that time in the marsh and lagoon. But peas and beans were never going to be anyone's fortune. And the
Kelpies
all-known
themselves.
famous for being canny. So the people came up with ways to farm better.
Angel of
Treating the
the
lands,
North.
improving machinery, and turning lots of tiny farms into a few big ones.
Then of course the warriors.
Cattle markets, trusts,
Well, it's telling you how bad they are. So you want to compare things now.
made here to be sold.
It's the island.
They were sold as pets though, if you get the drift. Next,
And then the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
which was a totally new thing, not just right here, but on
Leaning
the
Tower of
entire
Pisa,
planet.
that's quite tall.
The crown company in
Not as
Ireland
tall as Statue of Liberty.
to 1759.
It's Buddha.
It used water from the river, iron ore, and coal from the ground. It was a huge success.
This is a kids' play, nothing else.
Lessons, maybe,
Something to entertain the kids. summonsed. So I'm going to go back outside again. See if I can find Shannon. Oh, there's a beautiful dog there. Two beautiful dogs. Look at they beautiful dogs. Absolutely beautiful. So you are. Very friendly. There we are. There we are. Ah, it's all right. I'm coming. There. You're a couple of beauties. Lovely dogs, eh? So you are. Oh, beautiful animals, beautiful dogs over there. Sun's out, but the wind dropped. It's been more like August here. There's a wee swan over there. Is it a swan or a... It's a swan. No, it's a seagull. Something. It might not be a seagull. Might be a waterfowl. Aquatic bird, whatever they call it. One that's got webbed feet. I know nothing about birds. Want to know about birds? I like to ask Frank McAvenny. He's the expert. There's Shannon and Anne up there. Getting a close-up view. Somebody's going in there and clean the thing, so that'll be the exit to get in. What do you think of this so far?
Nice.
Let's see if we can see in. See what's in there. Do you want to dance?
Yes, I think so.
Should be able to get in there for something. They've got birds in there, you can hear them tweeting about. They might be in a cage, they might be wild.
Maybe taped.
They might be taped. I don't know, they might echo in there. Oh, the horse box. I think that's the name of the restaurant, isn't it? The horse box. Oh, follow this path to the horse box. The horse box is in Grangemouth. So you can actually follow the path and go all the way to Grangemouth. If you're ever up this way, or if you're coming to the north of Scotland, you're coming down this way, and you're physically able to do it. There's some lovely walks around here along this canal. You can actually walk from Glasgow to Edinburgh, as far as I know. Take a wee walk across this wee bridge. One's blown up. That's the horse box there. This must come under Grangemouth then. That's the horse box restaurant there. So that's the horse box there. It's not in Grangemouth. This must come under Grangemouth then. That's the horse box there.
They've got drinks
an iron brew. I was thinking, I wonder why they call it the horse box. Oh, then dung, the penny drops.
Did you say dung?
There's the Scottish Canals Marina office. It's a wee van, isn't it? Maybe many staff get in here. I don't think this is open, is it? That might be. Something in here. I don't think so somehow. I think that's just toilets or something. Right, this is toilets. Aye.
Yeah. You know, a place I've always wanted to go.
View of the other side of the Kelpies. Motorway just up there. Another wee bridge to go across. I think I've been across this bridge before already. There's the Kelpies made from Lego. How good is that? All from Lego. Now, they must have got the special bits from Lego to make that. That is impressive. We've done the Kelpies. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And press the wee notification button so when I upload another video then you'll be notified and you can have a wee look. Another wee look at our beautiful country. So that's the Kelpies. See you out at the Falkirk wheel and the Kelpies. I was really impressed with the Falkirk wheel. The food was absolutely fantastic and reasonable price. A good Scottish breakfast for under a tenner. Jacket potatoes were about £8 something. Cup of tea was about $2.45 and you get 2 cups out of it. The other thing about that was that the staff were very friendly. Everything was very clean. There was the actual wheel itself is a phenomenon. Is that how you say it? A phenomenon? A phenomenon? Something like that anyway. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel so I can make more content. Also hit the share button. Share it with as many people as you can. Let them see it as well. We'll also be uploading more videos very soon. So if you can hit the notification button, you will be notified when another video is uploaded. You've been watching Our Scotland. Thanks.